Trying to learn Japanese? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide.
In this lesson, you learn the particle ni.
This particle is often referred to as the location particle or time particle because it's mainly used to indicate a location, time duration, movement, or purpose. Let's first see the location marking function.
In this case, the particle ni indicates existence.
This means that it marks the location where a person or thing exists. It can follow either a concrete or an abstract place.
Right, so ni is often used with arimasu and imasu, meaning to have or to exist.
Let's see how it functions in a sentence.
駅に警察官がいます。
This means there's a police officer at the station. Let's break it down. First, what is there's a police officer?
警察官がいます。
How do we express the location at the station?
駅に
Notice that the location is followed by the particle
に 駅に
Along with the two main verbs that express existence, this particle is often used with certain verbs such as
住みます to live and 勤めます to work for.
For example, how do you say Ken lives in London?
ケンはロンドンに住んでいます。
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
ケンは銀行に勤めています。
Ken works for a bank.
テーブルの下に猫がいます。
There's a cat under the table.
右手にコンビニがあります。
There's a convenience store on the right side. As a time marker, this particle indicates a point in time when something takes place. It's equivalent to in, on, or at in English.
Unlike English, we can use ni with various time expressions.
In English, the preposition we use changes depending on the expression we use. For example, we say at 7 o'clock because we use at with time, on Monday because we use on with days of the week, and in June because we use in with months, and so on.
In Japanese, ni covers all of these time expressions.
How do you say at 7 o'clock?
7 o'clock is 7時. So, 7時に.
How would you say on Monday?
Monday is 月曜日. So, 月曜日に.
How do you say I wake up at 7 o'clock?
7時に起きます.
How do you say I'll leave on Monday?
月曜日に出発します.
Be careful. This particle cannot follow relative time expressions.
Right. Words such as 今日, today, 今週, this week, and 来年, next year cannot be marked by the particle に.
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
6月に日本へ行きます.
I'm going to Japan in June.
火曜日に掃除をします.
I clean on Monday.
5時に約束があります.
I have an appointment at 5 o'clock. In this lesson, you learned about the particle
に.
Be sure to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss all of the Japanese lessons that are coming soon. And if you want to learn even faster, go to JapanesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account to unlock the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide, the complete video course on particles. Click the link in the lesson description to get your free lifetime account right now. In the next lesson, you'll learn about the particle
で.
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye!